Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to recover deleted photo or lost photo from your Google Photo without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then come to the search type right here and type in Google Photo. Then click on search. The next thing you need to do is to click on the first result right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. Then you have to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to bin. So here we go. You have all the pictures that you have deleted or lost so far. The next thing you need to do is to simply select on the picture. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here, restoring. Then you have restored that. Then you have restored the second one. You can restore as many as possible photo you have right here. For every photo you lost or you deleted from your phone, it's coming right here and it's going to spend about 60 days. So you need to make sure that the photo you have been looking for is not exceed this particular date before you can restore them back from your trash bin in Google Photo. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.